today, London?
Yeah.
Yes? Well, let's get started because you're going to be my wonderful helper today, and we're going to make these ice cream cones. And these are mini ice cream cones. And you can pick these up at your grocery store. You will need sprinkles of any kind. I've got these 2 sprinkles here we'll be using today and some extras. You'll need some of these little chocolate balls. It's for the top of, do you want to show, London? For the top of the little ice cream cone, that's if you want that. You'll need some of these skewers that have the points because we're going to need to poke the ice cream cone. And then you need some lollipop sticks, and these are at Michael's. And you'll need some melting chocolate, and I think that's about it. We'll be back. Oh, wait, hold on. You're going to need cake pops that have already been made. The very first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to melt your chocolate, which I already did here. I'm just doing a little tiny bit, and I have a video for that, so you'll check that out. Now, London, what do you want to tell them?
You could, if you wanted, you could decorate it like this, or you could keep it like this.
Yes, you could leave it plain. So we're going to show you if you want to decorate it like this, because we're going to be putting the cake pop on like that. It looks really cute. So London, what you're going to do is you're going to grab this, and I'm going to show you, then you can do it. You're going to just whirl it in the chocolate like that, and then you pick and choose which one you want. Ooh, I don't know, pink? I know, it's like and then look how pretty that is. And then you're gonna let it dry. I have some that I did here already, which are ready for the cake pops. So go ahead, your turn, and which one do you want to put it in? So just dip it in there lightly and swirl it around. And just a little, let's see if you got it. A little more, push it down a little more. Okay, now pick it up, let's see. Ooh, okay, now which one do you want? That one or that one?
This one.
Ooh, okay, so just push it in there just a tiny bit, and then let's see, pick it up. Oh, adorable.
Looks beautiful.
And we're gonna let this dry just for a few seconds, and we'll be right back for the next step. So I've got these cake pop balls here, and what you're gonna do, you just try to round them the best you can before you dip them. So I'm gonna actually dip it into the icing a little bit. See how I'm doing that? And then you're gonna put it on top of the cone, and so it sets. You ready, London?
Mm-hmm.
Here you go.
I might need some of this.
Yeah, I'll get you one, a pink one or this one?
Yeah, take pink.
That one? Okay, so there you go. Go ahead and dip it little halfways, and then you can hold this in your hand over there so you can, yeah. Perfect. Ooh, and you just set it right. That's adorable. Look at that. You're gonna make these for your grandma, huh? So I'm gonna show you how to make a hole in the bottom of the little cone here so that you can get the stick in. So I'm gonna set that there. So what I did is I got a cone, and what I did was I got the skewer, and I just started making a little hole at the bottom. See how I'm doing it? Just go very slowly. We don't have to be in a hurry. Just keep picking it. And then you're gonna see, I got one here that's already done. Let me grab it. I thought I did, yeah I did. And see the hole there? Then all you do is you stick the stick through, and we're gonna stick our cake pop in there, which I already have, which is right here. And this one is already done, and I've already put the cake pop on there. So I'm gonna try to round it a little bit. At this point, you're just going to dip it in the white icing like this, and you're gonna just tap it. And it's okay if it has excess chocolate, melted chocolate, because it's gonna be so cool. It'll be on the cone, and it'll be like as if it's dripping like a real ice cream cone. So then you just stick it right in there, see? And at this point, you're just gonna grab a few sprinkles, put them on top, and then we're gonna grab that little blue topper, and there you have the cone, and you'll let this just sit here, and it will dry, and we'll be right back.
So now they dried, so now we're gonna dip them.
Okay, so you can pick up the jar and kind of swirl it around, and let's see. Ooh, I think you might. Oh, I think you got it. Okay, so just tap it on the side like this. You go like that, and there it is, Lyndon. And if you want to, if you missed a couple of spots, you can get the skewer and just put it, you know, across like this. And if you miss some in the back, you could just fill it in. Now, what sprinkles are you going to put on?
I'm going to do these.
And we'll just hold it right here. Do you want to hold it with your hand on the other? And
yeah,
then just put the sprinkles on. And you can put as much as you want.
Okay, I'm doing.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, and your little topper. Okay, you kind of just press it in and it should stay, and then you could set it right there. And then you just let it dry, and look how adorable that is. We'll be back with some more. We are at the finale of the show, and London, did you have a lot of fun? Yes? So I just wanted to give you an idea. These are great for little gifts. These are good for party favors. And I set up something here, maybe for your Easter celebrations, or it could be a birthday party celebration. I just put them in some cups. I actually put some rice in there, and I just stuck these in there. And so here we go. We're ready to try them. Grab one, girls. Okay, and let me know what you think. I'm gonna get one too. Okay, so you can come close and maybe show her the inside. Ooh, look at how pretty. It's pink inside. And let's see. You wanna bite yours? Okay. Oh, show. Look at hers is yellow. I hope you enjoyed the show today. I had so much fun with London today, and I am so in love with these. These are so adorable, and they're absolutely delicious. What do you think, London? Were they delicious?
Yeah.
And did you have fun on the show today? How much fun? Do you want me to tickle you? Okay, London is going to read the scripture of the day, and here she is.
John 4:19. We love because he first loved us.
Bye, and have a great day. And do you want to say bye?
Bye.
And stay tuned to Maria's Kitchen. We'll see you next time.